Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we're going to create a Hello World project in Visual Studio Code and push it to GitHub. We're going to use Visual Studio Code. You can download it for different operating systems. Create a remote SSH connection to our Fedora server. Create an app and push the app to GitHub. We start on the command line, SSH to our Fedora server. You know that command from previous videos. Enter, and we are inside because we use SSH keys. If we install new software, we need to update the system. So sudo dnf update refresh. Password because we use sudo. See, we have a lot to update, even a new kernel. Yes, we accept. I think it's going to take some time. I speed up the video and come back when everything is downloaded and installed. The system is now up to date, so we can install Git. Again, sudo dnf install Git. Enter. See, we're installing Git and a lot of dependencies. Post Perl. We accept. Yes. Enter. It's installing. It's going to be quickly. And Git is installed. I cleared the screen and do now get version. So you see we have version 2.49.0. Now we have to configure Git before we can use it. The first command is git config global username. So my name. Enter. The next is to configure the email. Again, git config global user email springboot.programming@gmail.com and git config list. See username and email. Now we do ls and you see all the directories from previous videos. Today we work in programming, so we do cd programming ls. We have here Java, Node.js and Python. Again, 3 directories from previous videos. We create a new one, mkdir, get project, projects, enter, ls, and you see we have the directory. We go inside it. Yes, empty of course, and we create a new directory for today's project. So mkdir hello world. It's going to be a simple text file. Else, enter, and we have the directory. Now we can go to Visual Studio Code, do a remote connection inside the Hello World directory. We open Visual Studio Code, remote connection, current window to host, Fedora Server, opening remote, and we are at the Fedora Server. Now we open folder, the home directory, go to programming, get projects, Hello World. OK. Now here we are at the Fedora server. We create a new file, hello world. Enter. Create the text from Visual Studio Code. Save it, Control S. Now we go to source control and publish to GitHub. Click on it. We have two options, a private repository or a public repository. And we can give it a name. For me, hello world, it's okay. Public, okay. The files, hello world, selected, okay. We publish to GitHub. Can close that. You see, we are at the main branch. See it here. Synchronize. We click on main branch and create new branch. We call it test branch. Okay. Change. You see, in the meantime, we have test branch. We change the text. Hello world. From test branch. Save it, Control F. Give it the name init test branch. Commit. Publish to branch test. See, you have here test. Edit. Publish branch. Okay. Now we go to our browser, GitHub website, sign in, username, password. Go to here and your repositories, and you see I have a repository, hello world. Open it. One file, hello world from Visual Studio Code and the main branch. If I change to test branch, you see we have two lines. Hello world from Visual Studio Code and hello world from test branch. Now we edit the file here, edit file. We add a line. Hello world from GitHub. So if you want, you can change the file here also. Commit changes. The message, update hello world, it's okay. Description is possible. Directly to test branch. It's okay for me, or you can choose a new branch. But for me, test branch is okay. Commit changes. Okay. Now we go back to Visual Studio Code. Pull request and see hello from GitHub. Still in the test branch. See it here. We add a new line here. Hello world from VS Code. Again from Visual Studio Code. Okay. Again, Control S, save it. Update. You always have to give it a name. Commit. Sync changes. You have to give it a name. And voila. Now we can go back to our browser, refresh, and you see we have the new line. Now we're gonna merge the test branch into the main branch. As you see, main branch is only one line. Test branch is 4 lines. We go to pull request, new pull request from the main branch here, test to main. See the arrow here, test to main. Create pull request, test, it's okay. Test branch to main branch. Oh, sorry. Go down, create pull request. Okay. No conflict, so we can merge the request. No conflicts means everything is okay for the test branch to the main branch. Merge pull request, confirm merge. Pull request successfully merged and closed. You can now delete the test branch. You see, test branch, you can delete it. Okay. Everything seems to be okay. We go to code again. The hello world in the main branch. See, we have the 4 lines and the test branch is gone. So everything is okay. For the last step, we go to our command line, SSH connection. We are in programming Git projects hello world. We do ls all. Here you can see we have our file hello world and a directory .git. First we look at the file, cat hello world. You see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines from Visual Studio Code, from test branch, from GitHub and from VS Code. Now we look at the Git directory, ls all, and you see we have all the information here from Git. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you later and thank you very much.